I will teach you the hacks you need to know to go viral on Instagram Reels. I've made several Reels go viral, just look at these insane numbers. But let's not waste your time, let's get straight into the video and make your Reels go viral. So the first thing I want you to focus on is the length of your Reels. Watch time is essential for your posts to go viral, therefore don't post too long Reels. You need a 100% watch time or more to go viral, and the only way you can do that is by making the video short so the people who watch the Reels maybe missed the first second and must watch it again to get the whole clue, or want to watch it again because you make amazing content. If a video is 10 seconds rather than 30 seconds long, the likelihood increases that people are going to watch the whole reel. One thing the Instagram algorithm also prioritizes are Reels being watched multiple times, therefore try to make the viewer watch it again. The next thing I want you to focus on is what I call the first 3-second rule. You must have a hook that makes people want to watch the whole reel. If people skip the reel within few seconds, your watch time will decrease drastically. Therefore the first 3 seconds is extremely important. So when you make a reel, focus on the first 3 seconds and cut parts of the reels that are unnecessary. There must also be something constantly happening on the screen. This is one of my reels. The reel hooks the viewer instantly with a text that tells the viewer what the reel will explain, and then goes straight to the point. This is an effective way to make a viewer watch the whole video and even watch it all over again. Like and subscribe so I know you found this helpful. Moving on, there's another thing I want you to take advantage of, and that is trending sounds and effects. This is a simple tip, but it's more effective than you can imagine. If the Instagram algorithm picks up a trending sound, they're more likely to push the reel to people who have listened to the sound. My best tip to find sounds and effects that will go viral is to use TikTok and see what's trending there. Instagram often lays 1 to 2 weeks behind TikTok trends. I'll also recommend emojis. Use relevant emojis in the caption of the reel. Is the reel about racing cars? Use the racing car emoji in the caption. People often stops at emojis without them being aware of it. It's an easy way to make your reel stand out in the crowd of other reels. You can also use famous names or faces in your reels. These famous people have an already existing audience which are more likely to stop at your reel. You can hop on trends to go viral or repost others' content that have done well, but remember to give these people credit and remove watermarks. I would also recommend to only upload high-quality reels. Instagram favors higher quality reels with clear colors and non-blur. The next I'll recommend is to watch this video about 5 Instagram growth tips you must know to grow in 2022. It's a straight to the point video where you will learn how to be loved by the Instagram algorithm. See you there.